Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you these TigerTough seat covers we've installed here in our GMC Savana. They also fit the Chevy Express, basically from 2016 until current model year, or 2023, 2024 models. The seats have not changed, so they're going to fit those seats. Now you can see we went here with the black color, but you can also get it in gray and in tan. Now the thing I love about these seat covers is that they're basically indestructible. They're made out of 1000 denier Cordura, which is a tear-proof, waterproof, life-proof, work-proof material that's not going to wear out. It's going to protect your factory seats, protect that resale value when you need to sell your van later on. Now installation is also super simple. It's just a matter of sliding these covers over top of the seat backs and then attaching with some Velcro straps. And then on the bottom, it's basically a similar deal where you're gonna have some Velcro straps. You also have this really cool tool called the string lock, which allows you to get some really great leverage on these two strings. You pull that tight on the seat bottom. That's going to prevent it from shifting and moving around as you're getting in and out of the seat. Now these seat covers do come with a 2-year unconditional warranty. If they wear out, if they tear, if anything happens for whatever reason, you are covered from the factory, from TigerTough. They're a great American company out of Minnesota. Everything that they make is in the USA, sourced in the USA, and so on. So just a fantastic brand. Now, the other thing about these seat covers is that they are compatible with the factory airbag. So you can see on the side, there is some white stitching that essentially covers where that factory airbag is going to deploy. So in the event of a collision, you still get to retain the use of that factory airbag and feel safe and protected that way. Now these are sold as a set of 2. You're going to get a driver's seat cover and a passenger seat cover. In the Savana and Express, the headrest is kind of baked into the seat back, if you will, so there's not a separate headrest cover. In some other applications where you have a separate headrest, you're gonna have a separate headrest cover that is separate from the seat back. Now if you're looking for seat covers for your cargo van or work truck, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. We've probably got what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.